How to verify X account and age. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, drag up the app list and simply select and launch the X application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi, you can switch to a cellular data. Now here you are landed on the main page of X Twitter. So what you can simply do is tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and select on settings and support. Now tap on settings and privacy and simply select on security and account access. Now tap on security again, and here you can see the option of ID verification. So simply what you need to do is upload an approved form of identification to confirm the authenticity of the account, and it will only be used to validate your identity. So you just have to tap on ID verification and upload a document to prove that you are an authentic person, and then you'll be able to verify your X account and age. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.